Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it is CCH here, and we are just playing some duos with Kayla.
Hi.
Gosh, someone landed here. I don't have a gun. Okay, I have a gun.
Okay.
I got a pump.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
guys, you probably clicked on this video because you saw the pump shotgun.
Help.
Hold up 1 second.
I had a pump. I had a tactical pistol.
Okay, hold up 1 sec. Let me grab this guy's mats. Hold up 1 sec. Can you heal up real quick? Is that good?
What?
Can you heal up?
Yeah.
I'm already healing up. So. Alright. We gotta get this. We're gonna try and get this win. Oh yeah, the pump. Dang, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. We're just... I'm coming. I'm just killing everyone, bro. Alrighty. Alright. It's got 3 kills right there. Alright.
I even had a great tactical pistol with my first weapon.
Someone here? Someone's here. Someone's in the building with you.
Well, I'll take care of
Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know what he has. The wolf found him!
Oh!
That's funny. The wolf broke it for us.
Hayden.
What? It's like the wolf. It's like the wolf knew he was there. That's why they were scratching at the walls. That's funny. The guy was spraying with his drum shotgun, so I had to spray back. I was gonna die. I didn't want to hit the wolf, so. Just gonna check if anyone's here. Okay, don't know if anyone's here. Alright, protect. They aren't.
When did you get us a bounty?
Yes, our bounty board.
How'd you get us a bounty?
I didn't. It's protecting. I have to protect you.
Oh,
Yeah, you're
I'm
the threat.
being
Yeah, you're being hunted. Hold on, don't take any loot. Don't take any loot. Alright, go. Take the loot.
Their pump? No, there's no pump.
Yep, no pump. Alright, someone's shooting at us. Hold up, I'm on mark.
Sharp.
It's basically a...
Thermal. I got
Oh,
thermal.
let me get this guy. Let me get this guy.
Chest.
I got this guy.
Found a...
What? He had a pump.
What problems?
There we go. Now we both have pumps. No, don't shoot me now. Okay, he's dead. I need some shotgun ammo. How much do you have?
I got 21.
Okay, never mind. You keep it.
21.
No, bro marked us. Hold up. There's someone over there.
Yeah, Mark. It's probably
Yeah, there's
the guy
okay.
who's trying
There's
to...
a guy shooting, okay? Okay, I hit him. I beamed him. He's so low. Kill that guy. Nice. Got right here.
Oh!
He's super
Gosh.
low. Oh, you're dead?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Coming towards you.
Hold on. Where's he at? Mark him. Can you see him? Is that where he is?
He's up top. Right by me. He's rainbow. Battle pass skin.
Where's he at? Again.
About 30.
I need somewhere.
Over there now. Over there. Right there. Oh! Oh, I'm dead. I am dead.
There we go.
That's a primal gun? What? I didn't know primal guns were in the game.
Hold up, one second.
Oh, that's a wolf. That looked like a primal gun to me.
No, Wolf, you can't die. Oh my gosh, that was a scary fight. Still one tick. We're fine, we're chilling.
The next treatment, don't go to the one by Storm. This one.
No, I can pull this one off. If there's a pumper, like golden pump over here, I'll buy that and I'll give you this one. I swear if that will break. Alright, hop in the car when you're done. Cause we need to get out of here.
I didn't mark the one by Storm. I marked the next one.
It's fine though. Told you I had time to pull it off. Just loot up here for a sec. For a little bit. And then we'll be on our way. Okay, yeah. You want the legendary MK?
Yeah.
You take the drum.
Because I picked it up.
118 ammo there.
I don't need that drum.
Oh, what do you have?
Got a Maven.
Alright, got it. Here, right here. Take some. Take 10.
Thank you. Now I have 20. Hey, we gotta do the motorcycle.
No, it's fine. Just do this.
Got 100 still already.
Is Aura up here? Alright, I want a twin mag.
No, you always have it.
I call it.
I got dibs.
I don't care.
Okay, I'll take the shadow tracker.
Okay.
This is not gray.
Still,
Just
twin
higher
mag's
here.
overpowered, bro. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Hurry!
It's not letting me in. Yeah, your wolf's gonna die.
Hold up. Is there pumps? Hold up, 1 second. Nope, go. Hold up.
Go!
always one take boo-hoo. Okay, chill, buddy. Ow. Those stupid things, bro.
Barred wasps.
Yep. Alright, come on, let's go get the slurp truck. Slurpy trucky.
Want to give you island?
No. These guys are kind of good. We
Not
can
if you get
search-
the first Hayden.
No, it's fine.
Right there.
It's fine. There's gonna be too many people though. We're gonna get there and there's gonna be people that are coming too.
Left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide, go right foot up, left foot slide.
Oh.
Come on, Caleb. Hurry, get in here. Alright. Let's try and get this win. Alright, I was hoping there was gonna be a pump in here. Pop a slurp real quick.
I picked up
Just
a
in case someone
habit.
beams us on the run. Hop in the truck, hop in the truck.
I got sleesh slurps.
Okay. I don't think it's a good idea to go up to the island. The sweats go up there, so just hit the rift and go somewhere else. Go brutal. So go slappy, go slappy. See, that's why exactly why I told you to pop a slurp. Hold on. Find where they're shooting us from and land on them. Unless it's Loot Island. You hear that car? Go to them, go to them, go to them.
Are they?
Dang it, they just hit the rift.
Are we hitting the rift?
They just came back down, right here, right here. This guy's one hit in the car. Dead, knock, knock, knock. Bro, what is he doing? What are you doing, dude? He's healing right in the open. This kid is so weird. You are weird for that. We don't even need this car. Load up. Alright, come on. Let's go get another car. Oh, I mean, let's go get a rift. Oh, here's a pump, here's a pump.
Pump? Okay.
Alright, let's go. Use the rift, use the rift.
In the church call it the
Go
shark
slappy, go
dude.
slappy. I don't care. It's really a pump, though. Oh my gosh, he's invisible, he's invisible. It's a gold trooper. Bro might be OG, but Nice. Alright, guys. Now our mission is... Gotta get some people's attention. There we go. go.
Dude. Stop. Oh. What? Great.
Alright, follow me, follow me.
Yo.
No. Ew. Alright.
You told me no. Come on, Ian, go.
No, we're not driving. I landed in to cancel fall damage.
Let me in.
I want them to mark us now. Flare gun? You have a flare gun? Right there. Here we go. Hop out, hop out, hop out, hop out.
You high?
He's super low, he's super low, he's super low. Dead?
On it.
Take him out, take him out.
Ground!
Just grab it, it's fine.
I did.
Nice.
You have a crown?
No, I don't. It's fine though.
Okay.
I'm popping some heals. Alright, I'm healed up.
I just popped slurp. Oh. Oh. I haven't seen a victory crown in a while.
Nope.
I'm gonna win in a while.
I'm gonna take those bananas instead.
Okay, go.
Why?
Storm.
Okay.
Storm.
There's
Circle.
a duo and a solo, unless they're all solos. If they're all solos, that's the easiest though. Okay, I use that. I need that big up here.
Okay, I got some slurps. There's a motorcycle right over here. I leveled up.
Nice.
Wait, no, not yet. Got a tiny bit.
I got this guy.
There's a duo left. Or 2 solos. Well, I've never seen you wear your glasses in a while.
Alright, come on. Alright, duo left. Let's go.
Or 2 solos.
Yeah, duo or 2 solos. Oh my gosh.
Got a circle.
Gotta get their attention.
The best chance is they're in the circle. They're at Slappy.
Yeah, they probably are, so. They gotta be in circle. No way they're gonna side storm. No way they're gonna camp on edge of storm. Yeah, blow up the car. Oh, nice. Right behind me. You beat me.
Okay.
One hit. Super low.
Get over here. Get out of storm.
Okay, oh yeah, it's definitely dead. I'm on it. Oh, yes, let's go. Oh, I died to storm. Alright, guys. I hope you
I have
guys
2 crown wins now.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching this video. Please Please like and subscribe.